Hey guys, what's up? Today we have the rules of derivative of functions. You should memorize these rules because they are so crucial. So first we have first hint or first rule, f of x equal to c and c belong to r. R is real number. So this symbol is called belong to. C belong to real number and C is a constant number. So that's belong to f prime of x or derivative of x equal to 0. Why? Because C is a constant number, so the derivative of C is 0. Second rule or second formula or second hint, f of x equal nx. N belong to real number and n doesn't equal to 0. So f prime of x equal to n because n is a constant number and the derivative of x is 1 because n as a coefficient and x as a variable. So the derivative of nx equal to n. Third formula. Third hint or third formula. F of x equal to x to the nth power. The exponent here is n. And n doesn't equal to 0. N belong to r. Real numbers. So or that's belong to f prime of x, the derivative of f of x is equal to, put the exponent down and x put it down. So subtract 1 from the exponent. Subtract 1 from the exponent. Okay? Fourth hint. Fourth hint. We have f of x equal radical of x. So x bigger than 0, okay? Or greater than 0, x greater than 0. That's belong to f prime of x equal. So we have radical of x. What does it mean, radical of x? Look, I'm gonna label here x to the, yes, the exponent x to have power, okay? To have power, or x to the half or 1 second power, or x to the half power equal, put it the power down or the exponent x to the power negative half or negative 1 second. So that's belong to, what should I write here? Half 1 over 2 Because we have negative exponent, you should put it down as a denominator. Okay, as a denominator. Sorry, I wrote it as an exponent here. Let me cancel it. To multiply radical of x. We have fifth rule. F of x equal sine ax. That is belong to f prime of x equal. This is the angle. Here, A is the angle. So A as angle, yes, A here as angle. Put it at the beginning, A sine. Sorry, we should change sine to cosine. We should change sine to cosine. Okay. Cosine. Okay. Cosine ax. Sixth rule. F of x, or sixth hint. Cosine ax. F prime of x equal negative in cosine. Negative a, this angle, cosine, it will be sine ax. Seventh, f of x equal exponential e g of x. The exponent here is what is a function. So that is belong to f prime of x equal g prime of x, the derivative of g of x, the function, e to the power g of x. Eighth, we have f of x equal ln of g of x, and g of x bigger than 0, of course. G of x of g of x. G of x greater than 0. Greater than 0. So that's belong to f prime of x, or derivative of x, equal g prime of x over g of x. The derivative of the function g of x over the function g of x. Another color. Ninth, one. Ninth, we have f of x equal g of x plus h of x. F prime of x equal, we have two functions and between them sum. So f prime of x, g prime of x plus h prime of x. The derivative of two functions. Derivative of two functions. 10th f of x equal g of x minus h of x. Between them, two functions, between them subtraction. That's belong to derivative f prime of x, derivative of x, f of x, equal g prime derivative g of x minus derivative h of x, h of x. H of x. Okay? Okay, guys. We have an example about these rules. Okay, I hope you get it well. You should get it first and then memorize it. Example 4 or example. Okay. Example f of x, example number 1, f of x equal to 7. So how can I find the derivative of f of x? That's belong to f prime of x equal to 0 because 7 is a constant number. Second example, f of x equal x to the 6th power. X to the 6th power. So what is the derivative of x to the 6th power? F prime of x equal, put the exponent down, the exponent down, and then x, then subtract 1 from the exponent. Subtract 1 from the exponent, which is 6. 6 minus 1 equals 6x to the 5th power. You should read it well, correctly, guys, please. 6 times x to the 5th power, okay? Third, yes, third question, we have f of x equal 2x to the 4th. How can I find f prime of x? F prime of x equal, put the exponent down, 2 times 4, 8, x, and then subtract 1 from the exponent. It will be 8x to the 3rd power. 8 equal 8 times x to the 3rd power. Please read it well, because most of the students cannot read the exponent correctly. Okay. So, fourth example, f of x equal cosine negative 2x. I'm gonna solve some of the examples, and later I'm gonna give you jury or homework. So equal, that's belong to f prime of x equal negative, because we have -2 as a angle, and we have the rules of cosine ax. We study it. Cosine ax, look, the rules of cosine ax here. Okay, so cosine -2 as an angle, put it down, and we have negative from the rule, so equal negative from the rule, and the angle is -2. Okay, sine, cosine, it will be sine -2x as angle, then equal negative time negative, it will be positive. Let me use another color. Positive 2 sine -2x. Exactly. Yes, we get it. The outcome as a positive. And fifth example, ln x. So how can I find the derivative of ln x? Ln x, f prime of x equal 1x or 1/x. And we have sixth example, f of x equal e to the power 4x, the exponent. So f prime of x equal 4, okay, 4e to the power 4x. Just we put it, the coefficient of the with the variable, put it down, and then we write exponential with the exponent. So guys, I'm gonna give you some of the homeworks. You should solve it, okay? And you should first you should memorize the rules and then solve this homework. So we have some of the homework. Yes, find the derivative. Find the derivative of these functions. F of x, first one, please. F of x equal -2x. Second, f of x, the function x to the 4th power. And third, f of x equal ln x plus 1. And fourth one, f of x equal e to the power exponential to the power 4x. And the last one, fifth one, f of x equal 3 sine 2x. So guys, we finished this topic. I hope you get it well. Thank you. Bye.